Movie camera. Welcome to TechHub Sammy fans, your ultimate destination for Samsung news, updates, and tips. Stay tuned for the latest insights on Galaxy devices, One UI updates, Android features, and more. Here's what we have for you today. Fire-breaking news: Keycap 1 Galaxy S25. No price hike. Launching at S24 rates on January 22. Keycap 2 Samsung confirms Galaxy S25 at half price, but there's a catch. Keycap 3 Odyssey 3D and Kazan bring next-level gaming innovation. Cell phones. 1. Galaxy S26 Ultra. A 200 megapixels periscope camera is in the works. 2. Galaxy S25 Ultra. Limited release in select countries. Check if yours is included. 3. Galaxy S25 Slim. Missing from US markets despite a global launch. 4. Leaked Galaxy S25 specs reveal shocking surprises. Revolving light updates. 1. Galaxy A54 gets the January 2025 security update amidst One UI 7 testing. 2. Galaxy S24's new update signals a potential One UI 7 delay. 3. Snapdragon Galaxy S21 FE models now receiving the latest security patches in the US. Hammer and wrench tips and tricks: light bulb maximize your Galaxy Watch. 1. Keep your workout screen active on Galaxy Watch 4, 5, 6. 2. Try One UI 6 watch sleep apnea tracking. 3. Boost your sleep with the new Galaxy Ring. Light bulb One UI 7.0 beta. 1. Prepare for the rollout with our complete guide to get started. Rocket latest highlights calendar: January 22 launch event. Samsung is set to reveal the official One UI 7 update schedule alongside the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest tech updates. Turn on notifications bell to stay ahead in the world of Samsung innovation. Connect with us. Right finger search Sammy fans for updates. Right finger follow us for more on Samsung's latest devices and software advancements. TechHub Sammy fans, your trusted partner for Samsung news and tips. This script keeps your audience engaged while organizing content for clarity and easy navigation. Let me know if you'd like further adjustments.